Hi, this is Liz. Welcome to my channel. I just want to wish you a happy new year before we get started. May 2022 bring you all your heart's desires. Have you started a list for yourself of goals? I love setting goals for myself, both professionally and personally. I feel that it keeps me on track and trying really hard to achieve them. That's just something that I've always done since I was 16. I love to set goals for myself. Let me know, do you set goals for yourself? Let's get this video started. For today's video, I'm unboxing 3 mini bags. Now, they didn't all happen at the same time, but I'm sharing them all with you in this video. I thought that would be nicer than spreading them out. I'll share them all. The first one I'm gonna share with you was under my Christmas tree. My husband gifted this to me for Christmas, and it's something that I already have in a different color, so it just felt totally natural to get it in this new color, and I wanna share it with you. It's something that I have worn a ton in the color that I already own, and I feel that it's something that I don't feel like I have to babysit. I feel totally comfortable using this bag, and I think one of the things that's made me love this bag a lot is that I switched it from a crossbody into a top handle, so I think it looks super cute when I pair it with a baby doll dress. And let me show you the bag I'm talking about. The bag came in this Matches Fashion box. How beautiful is that? Look at that. And if you've ever shopped at Matches Fashion, one thing that I want to let you know about them is that they deliver super quickly, even here all the way in Puerto Rico. So the bag that I'm talking about is, dun, 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 dun. Look how it comes nicely packaged. And it is a Saint Laurent bag. It comes in this little box here, and it reveals the bag that I said I have in another color and that I've worn a ton. It is this one here. Do you want to take a guess? What do you think it is? Let's see. It is this mini Lulu bag in the beige color with the gold hardware. Look at this beautiful cutie. And like I said, I have it in this one here in the black with the silver hardware, and I have worn this one so much. I feel what made it extra playful for me is that I attached this strap. This one was purchased through Etsy, and it made it a little bit more fun for me every time I was able to grab this bag and go. But now I have it in the beautiful beige. I'm so excited to add it into my handbag collection. For those of you that don't know about this bag, this is a strap that is detachable, so it gives you the opportunity to play with other straps. It is also adjustable, so this is nice if you need a crossbody. The price point is incredible. I believe it's $1,400. I'm gonna link all of the bags that I show you today in the description. If you're interested in purchasing it, you could just hit in the link below and it'll bring you directly to wherever I purchased them. So this one was gifted to me by my husband. It was under my tree along with my Chanel bag. If you haven't seen the Chanel bag I received for Christmas, it's the video before this one. Please check it out. You get to see the joy I felt opening up that bag on Christmas morning. So this is also something that was under my tree, this beautiful mini Lulu bag. I love it. They have so many new colors now, a beautiful chocolate brown, a bright yellow, that if you don't have this bag, I highly recommend it because it is a great price point, and like I said, it's so versatile. You can change it and wear it in so many different ways. And I love the look of this beige color. Check out the hardware. Look at it from the back. It is so cute and puffy, and it fits a phone perfectly. I have my phone 11 that I'm still using. I haven't had a chance to upgrade yet, but I would love to upgrade my phone because I do use it to record my YouTube videos. So let's see. See, perfect. And I love that it has these two compartments. It does have a back pocket. This is a very familiar bag to me, so I know I'm gonna get every single penny out of this bag because it is truly a good one. So if you're on the fence about this bag at all, definitely yes. So this is my new one. Check her out. Super beautiful. And I'm gonna include a mod shot so you can see what it looks like on me. The next bag I want to share with you, I saw on sale during Black Friday. And I had seen this bag in store and it is a beautiful bag. But I thought about it, I don't know, it was Black Friday, it was the holiday weekend, and I didn't purchase it. Okay, you know now Cyber Monday exists, right? They extend it to keep you interested in buying something. So on Cyber Monday, miraculously, it went down lower. So for me, I took that as a sign, get it, because it was way cheaper than it was on Black Friday. I don't know how they figured that was a good idea, but it worked for me because I said, on Black Friday and on Cyber Monday, I said, let's go for it. So the bag that I'm talking to you about is called the Willis 18 and it's made by Coach. Now, it is so pretty. It comes in so many colors. And what I have in mind for this bag is a baby doll dress, just super flirty and cute. It can be worn top handle and crossbody. And let me show you her. For you Coach lovers, you must have seen this bag so many times. So I ordered it from the Coach website and this is her. She is so pretty. This is what she looks like. How cute. I just see myself with a pretty little baby doll dress carrying her top handle. And she's been waiting to be shown to you, my audience, on this channel. So she totally has all of her wrapping still on. And let me go ahead and take it all off so I can show you her a little bit closer and better. Here she is without all of her wrapping. And let me tell you, she had a lot of wrapping on. It took me like a good 5 minutes to take it all out. But that just goes to show that Coach does take their time to wrap it really, really nicely so that it arrives to you safely and without too much damage or scratches. So this is the Willis 18 and it has that paneling here. I love that it has a back pocket. Check that out, which is super handy. Look at her. How beautiful, elegant, and ladylike is this bag? How pretty. I see myself styling this bag with a baby doll dress. I just feel that she is so pretty. I can make her look even more beautiful with my baby doll dresses. But it comes with this detachable gold chain that has the gold hardware and also this piece of leather, and it is adjustable, which is very, very nice, and detachable. I think that for myself, look, it has these little clips in the back that you can detach your strap. For myself, I see myself using this one top handle. I just think she's so cute top handle, and I think that's how I would wear her the most. Now, the question that is so important when purchasing a mini bag, check out the inside of this bag. It has this one big compartment here and then another front pocket. Does it fit a phone? I still have the iPhone 11, so I'm gonna put it in here. And look at that, plenty of space. That phone is dancing around in there. So as you can see, it has a zipper pocket back here. It has another front pocket here. It has that back pocket. I love this little tag. Everything about it is super beautiful, looks so luxe. And I can't wait to start wearing her. I saved her up to share her in a video with other bags. But this is her, the Willis 18. And she's beautiful. Can't wait to start wearing her. The last item I'm sharing with you is a gift from me to me, my Christmas gift to myself. It was also ordered from Matches Fashion. I'm totally not sponsored, but Matches, if you ever want to sponsor me, hit your girl up. But no, it wasn't sponsored at all. These things were all purchased with our own money. So this is what it comes like. And you know what, guys? If you haven't ever shopped with the matches, I think you should give them a try. I always create little wish lists for myself, and they kind of remind you when stock is running low, kind of pushes you like, don't you need to buy your bag? Stock is running low. I'm like, I have to get it. Okay, this bag is from Gucci. I have been wanting it for a while, but every time I think about it and then I say, you know, maybe not, maybe so. But this time I definitely felt like, okay, I've been working on my channel for a complete year. You deserve it, girl. Get it. So I did. So let me show you what it looks like. And it comes in the beautiful new Gucci packaging. Check this out. So pretty. I love the green color, and it has like this very like a, look at it, like a paisley sort of print on it. Very, very pretty. Okay, so this bag isn't a new bag. It's a bag that I've seen around and I've always admired it. And the name of this bag is the Ophidia shoulder bag, but the mini, because you know I love a mini bag. So here she is. How pretty is she? Super cute. Still has the plastic on it. Look at that. The gold hardware. I love gold hardware. The classic traditional Gucci colors. This in the canvas with the pieces of leather around the handle and all around the trimming. It's beautiful. You can wear it both on your hand, on the crook of your arm, or if you let it go all the way to the longest one, you can put it under your arm as well. See, as it is right now, it's too small. But if you let it go completely, you can do it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. But I love her. She's beautiful. I checked the website today, and they have one in white right now. So if you're like, I'm done with buying bags for the winter and the fall, they also have a white one. So if you want to consider that for the summer, check her out. How pretty is she? Something super minimal. If you're going to the movies, you're just bringing your phone and a lip gloss, and you're carrying this cutie. So pretty. I'm so glad I purchased her. I have a crossbody in the same print, but now I'm so excited to bring in this shoulder bag. Look at that. It is adjustable. Let me show you the inside. Check out the GGs. I love that. And let's see if the phone fits. It has a lot of stuffing in it, which I love to hold the shape of my bag when I put her in my closet. It has this little clip on the inside. That's good always for your keys. It has a little card slot right here. Let's see. Phone. Perfect. Yep. Perfect. I love it. Look at that. And you can fit a ton of other little things as well. That's her. The Ophidia shoulder bag in the mini size. If you've come this far in my video, let me know, out of the 3 bags that I showed you today, which one was the most interesting to you? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that ring bell notification so you could be notified every single time I upload. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.